Hello, fifth graders, and welcome to our third writing prompt. I have thoroughly enjoyed reading prompts 1 and 2 that you've submitted and turned into me. Your writing is you're doing a great job with your writing by including thoughts and feelings and complete sentences. Just make sure you're continuing to do that. Again, we're in the planning and drafting phase of our memoir writing. And we're going to be discussing our third writing prompt today. Hopefully it will give you guys enough to write 4 more sentences on. Going to go to our writing prompt, and today it is, what have you learned about keeping yourself safe during the pandemic? What are you doing to keep yourself safe and your family safe? In this writing prompt, I really want you to discuss why it's so important to self-isolate and to stay in quarantine, why it's important to stay at home, why are all of our restaurants closed, why are a lot of our stores closing, why are we only allowed to leave our house for essential goods and services, and explain that to the readers in your document, in your memoir writing for prompt number 3. I want you to explain the reasoning behind that, and I also want you to write down what you're doing and what you learned about keeping yourself safe. Okay. Personally, for me, I have only left the house like 2 or 3 times, and it's to go get Walmart pickup or to go to the bank. I had to go to the bank one day. I saw Olivia's mom at the bank, and that's basically it. I've been going outside and going for walks, but I've been making sure I'm no less than 6 feet away from somebody. And I want you to explain why all of that is important. Not just list what you're doing, explain to your readers why you're doing it. Because in the future, they may not know why you're doing all this stuff unless you explain it to them. So once you get done with this writing prompt, again, make sure you turn in your document to me so I can review it, add comments, turn it back into you. And then your brainstorming question that I want you to answer in the comments to help your fellow classmates write more. How do you feel when you see individuals not practicing social distancing and safety precautions? If you see people walking up and down your street and they're closer together than 6 feet apart, you see people just hanging out and going to each other's houses, not washing their hands, how does that make you feel? And what can you describe in terms of how you are experiencing those interactions with other people? So watch the video, write in your document, answer the question, and I will continue interacting with you all. Sounds great. Take care. Talk to you later.